In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add fonts in Webflow, a crucial step to make your web design more personalized and visually appealing. Let's dive right in, starting with the basics of accessing your Webflow account. First things first, you'll want to log into your Webflow account, so make sure you've got your credentials handy. Head over to the Webflow website and enter your username and password. Once you're logged in, you will be directed straight to your Webflow dashboard, a central hub where you can manage all your projects. Now, from your dashboard, it's time to find the specific project you want to edit. If you have multiple projects, you might need to scroll a bit or use the search feature to pinpoint the right one. Once you've found it, click on it to open the project. Next, let's navigate to the site settings. This is where you can adjust various aspects of your site, including fonts. In Site Settings, look for the Fonts tab and click on it. If you wish to use Google Fonts, click on Add Fonts and choose Google Fonts from the options presented. Google Fonts offers a wide range of typography options, so take your time to browse or use the search bar to quickly find the font you have in mind. You also have the option to select different variants, such as weight and italics, to suit your design needs, and once you've made your selections, simply click Add Font. But what if you have a custom font you'd like to use? No worries, Webflow makes it easy for you too. In the same Fonts section, click on Add Fonts again, but this time select Upload Fonts. This is ideal when you have a specific font file, commonly in .ttf or .woff format, that you need to upload. After you upload your font, remember to give it a clear, unique name to easily find it later. Now, it's time to see these fonts come to life on your website. Open the Webflow project in the designer interface. Here, you'll have the chance to apply the font to various text elements on your web page. Click on the element you want to customize, then head over to the Style panel on the right. Under the Typography section, you'll find the Font drop-down menu. Click on it and scroll to locate the custom or Google font you added earlier. Select it, and just like that, your text element will be styled with your newly chosen font. And there you have it. Adding fonts in Webflow can be straightforward and creatively rewarding with just a few steps. Exploring these options not only adds a unique touch to your site, but also enhances the user experience, making your website more captivating and visually appealing. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Feel free to refer back to these steps anytime you need a refresh. Happy designing!